What's up, guys? So I am busy planning for my Lansing trip, and I've got a bunch of stuff going on this week that I didn't really expect. So I thought I would touch base and kind of let you see behind the scenes. So it's kind of weird to not have an episode to edit, even though I did kind of make a mini episode out of hiking Mount Islip. So if you haven't checked that out, I'm gonna put the link here, and you guys should definitely check that out because it's awesome. I still have this weird, I'm still kind of hoarse from Stagecoach. And then I had singing practice for church the other night, and it was like 3 hours of singing. And now I've got like this weird asthma cough, so I apologize that I'm gonna like randomly keep coughing through this. But yeah, so I leave on Tuesday from Michigan, and the funny thing about these trips, I always feel like no matter how much I put into it and how much work I do, I always feel like I'm super unprepared. Like I've never done this before until I actually get there and start filming. And I'm super organized about it. I mean, I have my shot list and I've got my note cards for talking points and things like that. But honestly, like the best part about making travel videos is the stuff that you don't expect. So it's kind of the things that happen on the road. And I'm getting better about just kind of letting those things happen and just kind of making a rougher outline of the things that I'm going to film. So I finished with that stuff. I was thinking it would be a crazy week prepping for the trip. And it is. I still have to pack for like a month. But it's actually kind of quieter than I expected it to be. So between that and not editing, I decided to finally do some stuff that I needed to do, which is kind of looking at analytics and affiliate marketing and adding links to different things, as well as getting Millie ready for a month on the road, which she has no idea what's coming. But today, so I got on Pinterest, which when I started the show, I just kind of made a social media page for everything. And then there's some that I obviously tap into more than others. Instagram, I post every day. Twitter, I'm posting multiple times a day. Facebook, same thing. And then there's some like Pinterest that I haven't really looked at in probably a year. And so I get on and I realize I've got like 6,500 monthly views. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is a whole thing that I've not tapped into. So now I'm kind of going back from the beginning and adding all of the episodes onto my Pinterest page, as well as all the photos that I've taken from Instagram and things like that. I've been doing some research on different things, watching Think Media on YouTube and a lot of Gary Vee, trying to get motivated, just to learn about some of the marketing stuff. I mean, that's kind of, I don't want to say the boring side of things, but just the part that I feel like I never have time to do because I'm editing and filming, and I've just kind of been in go mode for 3.5 years, and now I'm kind of stepping back and trying to see it as a business and what business steps do I need to take. So yeah, working on Pinterest, adding affiliate links to the description in my YouTube boxes, working on thumbnails, as well as planning for the Michigan trip. So it's been a lot of fun stuff. It's funny, I feel like this is more full-time this week, actually, even though I worked at the restaurant yesterday, but I kind of joked when I got there. I was like, oh my gosh, the real world, and I have real pants on, which I kind of have real pants on today. I mean, they're jeans. They've got a button. But yeah, it's been actually really awesome, legit working from home for about a week now, ever since I got back from Stagecoach. But I've got a few restaurant shifts that I'm picking up before I go. And then yeah, then we hit the road and the craziness starts, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, just kind of getting stuff done here. I would love to hear what you guys do to prep for trips. I feel like I've met people all over the board. Some people don't do anything and they just wing it, and other people are super organized like me and need to write everything out. And I don't know, any tips for traveling and planning, and especially if you film your travels, I would love to hear what kind of things you guys do, as well as any marketing tips. I'll take any and all marketing tips. Yeah, so that's what's going on here, and it's about to get crazy and exciting, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Bye.